Alright guys, here we go. It's unboxing time. Today we're going to be unboxing the DC animated movie Catwoman Hunted. Let's go. Okay, let's get out this digital code. Alright, there's the digital code. Looks like it's past its date. Try it anyways. You never know. There's the QR code. Nothing on the back. Let's take a better look at the cover. Good stuff. Got the spine. The back here, just special features. PG-13. We got a running time of 79 minutes. And there you go with the disc. Good stuff. So there you have it, people. That's my unboxing of Catwoman Hunted. That is it for today. Adios.